Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert image in Google Sheet using link. So here I show you two different way you can insert image using link. Okay, so let's start the first one. So simply select the cell and go to the insert tab. Then click on the image option. You can see have a two option, insert image in cell and insert image over cell. So you can select any one. So here I'm going to select the second one, insert image over cell. After that, you can see the one dialog box is open, insert image. To insert image using the link, just click on the link tab, the third one, and here paste your image link. So go to the web page and here you can see I have already opened. And here I'm going to copy the image link. Simply right click on the image and click on the copy image link. Now go back in Google Sheets and paste here your image link. Okay, and wait for the few seconds and you can see the image here showing. Click on the insert image and that's it. And the second way, simply select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the image and select the image function. Then in double quote, paste the link of image. In again use the double quote, bracket closed and press the enter. And that's it. Here the image is inserted. Wait for the few seconds. I just increase the size of row and see here the same image is inserted. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.